Today, we're making a rich, aromatic, and deeply flavorful Bengali classic beef kala bhuna, perfect for any special occasion or family feast. Kala bhuna is a traditional beef dish from Chittagong, Bangladesh, known for its dark, rich color and intense flavor. Let's dive into the ingredients and get cooking. You'll need 1 kilogram beef, preferably with bones, 1.5 cups sliced onions, 2 tablespoons ginger paste, 2 tablespoons garlic paste, a half cup yogurt, 2 teaspoons red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, a half teaspoon garam masala, 4-5 dried red chilies, 4-5 green cardamoms, 1 cinnamon stick, 4-5 cloves, a half cup mustard oil, salt to taste. First, marinate the beef. Add yogurt, half the ginger and garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric, salt, and half of the coriander and cumin powders. Mix it all together and let it marinate for at least 1 hour or overnight for best flavor. In a heavy bottomed pan, heat mustard oil until it starts to smoke slightly. Add sliced onions and fry until golden brown. Remove half and set aside for garnish. Now add the marinated beef into the pan with the remaining fried onions. Saute for 10-15 minutes on medium heat. This dish is called kala bhuna for a reason. It's slow cooked until the beef turns dark and oil separates. Keep stirring occasionally and cook on low heat for 1.5 to 2 hours. No rush, this is where the magic happens. When the beef is tender, rich, and dark, sprinkle garam masala and mix well. Garnish with the reserved fried onions. And there you have it, delicious, mouth-watering beef kala bhuna. Serve hot with plain rice, pulao, or paratha. Don't forget to share with your loved ones. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious dishes, and let us know your favorite way to enjoy kala bhuna in the comments.